Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back, and thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I will share our experience in the sanctuary aboard the Ruby Princess cruise ship. Now, you may ask yourself, what is the sanctuary and is it worth it? Well, according to the Princess Cruise website, and I quote, the sanctuary is a quiet outdoor spot for you to escape to when you simply want to relax and ignore everything else for a little while. This area of the ship is all about health and wellness in a completely stress free setting. It's also adults only, which only adds to the tranquil experience. Yes, sign me up. I'm Trinice West, and this guy is my husband, Kevin. We're a retired couple, and our goal is to travel as much as possible while we're physically able, without draining our retirement savings. Our channel is all about inspiring you to embrace your golden years while navigating the world on a fixed income, one voyage at a time.
Okay, so this afternoon is almost 12. We have our appointment or our time that we reserved here in the sanctuary. It's really windy though, so hopefully it'll be nice. We'll see. So, what do you think? Will it be okay? Say the water here is really choppy. So there's nobody here. But I mean, one thing about here, we're protected from the wind. So it's kind of nice. I was a little concerned because of the weather, but I was like, okay.
Yeah, the weather, the moment is we're getting close to the San Francisco, so now that the weather is getting
Getting a little more choppier. Yeah.
So this is your spot?
These are two here? Okay, cool.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. So anyway, this is our spot here, and it's a little windy and breezy, but you can see Kevin's already chilling like a villain. I think it'll be nice. A little windy.
A very good morning, everyone. Captain speaking to you from the bridge.
So we're here in the sanctuary, and a few more people have come in, but it is really windy and stuff, but it's still relaxing. So I'm enjoying myself. So far, so good. Okay, so one of the things that you get up here, you can order from the menu, and they bring out these bento boxes. And so I ordered two different items. I didn't realize it was going to be this huge. So one is this salad. This is the grilled chicken salad, I guess, with pita. And I asked her to put the dressing on the side. It's like a yogurty thingy. So I don't know if I want to eat that or not. But definitely the chicken and stuff. And the other bento box is this grilled shrimp on top of it's like another type of salad. So I'm gonna try both and see what we get. This is they said it's included in the price of the fee to come into the sanctuary. So so far the salad is good. I'm not really eating the beans, but the grilled shrimp is really good. The vinaigrette that they have in here is really good. And the grilled shrimp is tasty too. I took a pita from the chicken one I have and put it over in here. But really healthy. So it got really chilly up here. So they did, if you request, you can get a little blanket. So kind of wrap yourself up. This is what it's like to cruise in the winter. So we had the salad, and it was pretty good. I wanted the feta and herb dip with the vegetables, and it's right after 2, and so it was too late to order that. So if you do come in the afternoon, make sure you order the bento box before 2 o'clock. So we're gonna be bad and get a slice of pizza, and then they do have tea service this afternoon. He said that starts at 3. Okay, perfect.
Ma'am, how about you, ma'am? You want some tea or
Green
milk?
tea. Green tea. Yeah. So they come around. So they come around after 3 o'clock, and they offer tea time. Just had that, so I got me some green tea and a little sandwich. It's like salmon and a cookie and a shortbread. So it's the end of our afternoon here in the sanctuary. Really enjoyed it. Everyone's gone. We're the last ones here. So they're packing up everything. But a nice little lunch, tea. It was really, really windy. So I want to try this again on before we leave the ship and on a nice warm day. Okay, definitely highly recommend this, and I will do it again. It was totally worth it. Okay, so you guessed it. I am back in the sanctuary. We booked a 2 more beds here in the sanctuary. Just the afternoon is $20 as the time of this recording, and I got a different location this time. We're in this front section. It's a little bit more sheltered, and last time we were over there. But doing this and relaxing. This is a sea day, and we're on our way to Mexico, so it is a lot warmer this time. Super excited. I may be overdressed this time. Still not enough to put on shorts and swimsuit, that type of thing. But yeah, we really enjoyed it last time. So I have 2 times booked for this particular cruise. So that was our experience in the sanctuary. We did a back-to-back cruise on this particular ship on the Ruby Princess. So we went to the sanctuary for each leg. So we went twice. So it came up to be a total of $80 US for the both of us. Now, if you have the drink package, they will also bring you something that's a little bit stronger than tea, or you can just order alcoholic beverages if you like to. We thoroughly enjoyed our experience in the sanctuary, and I love the fact that they have this area available for passengers who would like to pay to use this area. I thought it was worthwhile, and I love the fact that you didn't have to get an upgraded suite or a certain area of the ship so that you could use the space. I mean, it was available to anyone who was willing to pay the additional costs. So I thought that was really nice. So well done, Princess. So what do you think? Is it worth the extra cost? And have you used a similar space on a cruise ship? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you'll know when our next video drops. Until next time, take care everyone and safe travels.